Now I could continue on this for hours, but for the sake of brevity, I'll keep things short by emphasising just one of the advantages that men have over women. When asked why men outperform women in most athletic events, Jamie Pringle, a physiologist who's trained many Olympic champions, said the following. The most consistent observation about the difference is that women have lower total mass of hemoglobin in their blood compared to men, and less blood in total. This means less capacity to transport oxygen in the blood, which, when combined with the heart's ability to pump that blood and the muscles' capacity to extract the oxygen from it, is a key determinant of aerobic fitness and endurance. And so, the assertion that reducing a transgender woman's testosterone to that of the average biological woman will create a level playing field is objectively, scientifically, bogus. If Joe was to reduce his testosterone, he would still have his enormous hands, just as Rachel still has a small pelvis and Laurel still has a large number of fast-twitch muscle fibers.
Did you get that, you unrehearsed emotional college students? Hemoglobin is the #1 advantage cis men have over cis women, and as we all know, blood doesn't change. You're born with the very blood you'll die with. So there's absolutely no chance that said hemoglobin count could lessen with HRT. Trans women have an unfair advantage, and that's the science. Well, this is awkward. You see, this is what happens when you attempt a bait and switch, using studies comparing cis women to cis men, rather than cis women to trans women on HRT. You end up talking a load of pure bollocks about hemoglobin being the greatest source of trans woman advantage, only to then discover that hemoglobin counts of trans women are the same as those of cis women.
For feminizing hormone therapy, red blood cell indices are one of the most responsive laboratory parameters. The hemoglobin, hematocrit, and RBC number are all seen to decrease during hormone therapy in transgender women. A previous study of 55 transgender women showed that hemoglobin levels decreased significantly from cisgender male levels to be not significantly different from cisgender female hemoglobin. With a larger patient group, we were able to confirm this previous finding of decreased hemoglobin. But transgender women's hemoglobin levels are still significantly different from individuals with sex assigned female at birth. Roberts et al. Also found that creatinine levels remain closer to cisgender male levels compared to cisgender female creatinine values. This brought up the concept that not all lab values change predictably to the reference interval of the opposite gender. We further confirmed this finding in our larger cohort, but we further found a significant difference in transgender women from their baseline levels. Overall, red blood cell and creatinine levels change the most in transgender women taking hormone therapy, but they don't go as far as being comparable to lab values of individuals of the opposite sex assigned at birth.
I expect you to make your errors clearly known to all who subscribe to your channel.